sharing with you a retail store in the US that you can get most things to sell on Amazon. One of my best stores is Walmart. Walmart is a retail store and an in-store online shop in the United States. They have variety of beautiful things that you can buy and you can repurpose for the for just because you are an FBA seller. So today I'll be sharing with you 10 brands 10 brands that you can easily look into Amazon and you can get these brands to do your business. All right. So the first one, they are apparel brands, and so the major one is Terra and Sky. Terra and Sky is for plus size women clothing. Whenever you want to buy or sell plus size women clothing, why don't you check Walmart? And then the next one is called the Wonder Nation. Wonder Nation is for children clothing, shoes and accessories. These brands are good and they are really good for sale on Amazon. You can also do DK Alexander, which is the men accessory. So if you're looking for men accessories, why don't you check Amazon, or why don't you check Walmart? So the next one that I'm going to be looking at is other brands like Sam's Choice. I'm not saying Sam's Club, Sam's Choice. Don't confuse it with Sam's Club. It's Sam's Choice, and it deals with food, selected art goods, and this is just named after Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart. So these particular products are usually sold at discount prices. So you will get great value when you go to Sam's Choices. Other ones is Great Value. Great Value, I think Great Value was launched in 1993. So this product came in early in 1992, but it was really launched in 1993. And what would you get in Great Value? You get foods like they are sold in lower prices because of the low marketing and the advertising expenses. So something like you are looking for house products, so you can get them from Great Value. Another product or brand is Equate. Equate is a brand used by Walmart for health and beauty purposes, such as over-the-counter medication, pregnancy test, creams, body lotion. They are all in Equate. So if you want to sell those product that has to do with health, you should check Equate. Equate is one of the top products that Amazon sells. So it has been private labeled and is managed by Walmart. So you can get that. Another thing you also want to look into is Mainstay. Mainstay is a brand marketed by Walmart for its low-priced line of beddings, kitchen utensils, ready-to-use assemble furnitures and home. So if you are looking for product that comes like homes, yes, and garden, then you can look at Mainstay. Another one is the Special Kitty. Special Kitty is just a brand on Walmart that deals with cat food and cat supply, their care, such as listers and treats. So you want to sell cat food on Amazon, why don't you check Walmart Special Kitty brand? Yeah. Another one that I really love so much is the Parent Choice. It's a brand on Walmart that was launched in 2010. It was launched and manufactured by Wet. It's a subsidiary of Pfizer. So they are the ones that actually put this brand together to make sure that we can get. So Parent Choice is a Walmart store brand which includes diaper, formulas, accessories, and if you are looking to get into like the kiddies, you want to sell kiddies on Amazon, then you should look into Parent Choice. It's manufactured by Welts, so it's a company, the subsidiary company of Pfizer. So they were relaunched in 2010 on Walmart. So you can as well check that product very well. It's really really a good product for kids diapers and formulas. For those that are looking into toys on Walmart, yeah, I want you to check out Playday. Playday is a replacement brand for Connection, Kids Connection. So it was launched in 2014 and mid 2015. So these are budgeted children toys. You want to look at those prize children toys, check Playday. The last but not the least is Allswell. Allswell, I'm going to be talking about today. Yeah, I love them because they also have the opportunity to you can buy products from Oswell. Is a luxury bedding and mattress brand owned by Walmart, but only sold directly to consumers. So this one is only sold to people that are going to be using it, the product. So best occasion also has to do with products for parties, supplies such as candles and hearts. You can get them at Walmart. There are a lot of brands on Walmart. There are so I can't even count how many. So there are a lot of them on Walmart that I cannot keep mentioning them today, but I know that if you go to Walmart, you will be able to get some nice products that you can sell on Amazon. So looking for the top brands on Amazon that you will share, or you can look into where you're sourcing products. I want you to look at this product, this particular brands, and don't forget to share this video and educate one or two persons that needs to start Amazon business. Yeah, and if you are looking for any help also, you can easily get in touch with me by filling the form in the link below, and I will be there to help you get started with my team. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful week ahead of you. Bye.
I know these ones feel really nice though.
These are nice. These are my